Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the OPPO F29. Alright, so let's begin. We need to open up our WhatsApp, and once we are here we need to click on those three dots on the top right corner, and from here we can get access into the settings. And now find the chats, now scroll down and click on chat backup. And once we are here, now under the Google account, we have the account on which we are currently logged in our settings of the phone. And remember that if you want to restore your backup in the future, you need to be logged into the same Google account that which you have selected right in here. So because basically on that account the backup will be stored. Now below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off, but you can select it on daily, weekly, monthly, or only when it's a backup. Currently it's on the weekly, as you can see, and basically that means that each week the backup will be automatically made, and I don't need to do this manually, so it's pretty convenient on it. Convenient option. Below we have the option to include the videos. You can enable it, and on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on right in here, you can create basically a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Alright, and once everything is selected, simply click on that button, backup, just like that. Alright, now the process has started, as you can see. Alright, and that's all. The backup has been successfully finished, and now it is stored in the Google Cloud of that account. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.